have a highlighter, have a pencil, have a protractor, maybe even have some patty paper, especially this, because this is one thing that we're going to be using as a tool right here. If you're wondering why this lesson is included or this part is included in the all, it's because we're going to use construction tools to bisect an angle. It's literally a learning goal, and this is the activity that allows us to cover that. All right, so page 239. I'll let the screen here kind of settle out. Please, if you would, highlight those habits of mind. Habits of mind are things that we do in mathematics to get better in math. We're going to model with mathematics. We're going to use appropriate tools strategically. So tools like the patty paper. All right, let's see here. Getting into this one. You have bisected line segments. Perpendicular bisectors bisect line segments. You can also bisect angles. And when a ray is drawn through the vertex of an angle and divides the angle into two angles of equal measure or two congruent angles, this ray is called an angle bisector. The construction used to create an angle bisector is bisecting an angle. One way to bisect an angle is to use patty paper. So I got some fresh paper right here, and I've got some angles from a piece of paper that I had used previously. So let's go through step one. Step one says draw an angle on the patty paper. I'm going to corner of the angle. Then we'll open the patty paper and the crease will be the perpendicular bisector. Let's see it here as I trace it, and then I will move the picture of myself, the video of myself, that window to larger, so it'll be just me on your screen. All right, there it is. Here's my angle. Now this is literally what I'm doing, all right? Let's move this up here. There we go, zoom in. So I'm taking the paper here and I'm acknowledging that this ray and this other ray, they're gonna need to like lie on top of each other. And so I'm gonna try to fold or pinch fold from the vertex right here, pinching that together, and then just kind of like looking through the paper, you know, catch the light under it. Yeah, right there. So I've got this line now lining up. Thank you, with an assist from the lights. Yep, you get a lovely shot up my nose. Crease it, sharp crease. And when I open it up, that sharp crease is going to be an angle bisector. Let's show you on the document camera, all right? Here it is. This crease is the angle bisector. Angela states that as long as the crease goes through the vertex, it's an angle bisector. Is she correct? No, she's not. Because one thing that I said is I had to make sure that the lines actually line up. Like the ray of one ray of the angle and the other ray of the angle, they have to go through the vertex. Angela said that. But they have to also lie on top of each other. And if they don't, like I'm gonna mess up on purpose. See how they're not lying on top of it? They're not even going through the ray. Come on now. There we go. The crease that I have right now, these rays don't lie on top of each other, but their crease does go through the angle. I'm saying this is the perpendicular, no, the angle bisector. No way, that's not the angle bisector. An angle bisector cuts the angle exactly in half. So Angela is incorrect. She is incorrect because the rays of the angle must line up when the crease is made. That's right. We've got to make sure that things are evenly spaced from the middle. That's page 239. Thank you for watching page 239. We're going to continue on the next page. Activity 4 continues over here as we continue to see constructions for bisecting an angle. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Keep learning math a little bit more every day at a time, every little step along the way. Thanks. See you in the next video.